Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new brokerage listing of mine. It's a 2023 Harris 250 Grand Mariner with a 350 ion tower and absolutely loaded. All right, so 250 Grand Mariner. This one was ordered with really all the goodies. Full lighting package, so LED lighting under the rub rail, underwater, in the cup holders, in the speakers, and under the seats. This is also the entertainment console floor plan, so has a little wet bar. Also comes with isotherm refrigerator. Flip up table on this side. Biggest stereo available from the factory. So sound pack 2, tech package 2, twin Simrad screens, dual subs, dual amps, JL audio throughout, as well as a pair of JL tower cams. Full services were just done on this, so it's turnkey and ready to go. This boat, last I checked, it had like 38 hours on it. So I mean, it's as nice as you're going to get in a pre-owned boat. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, you can pick up the phone and give me a call directly on my cell. That number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.